As NASDAQ stopped the drop, today I will give you the insight from the chart. Last video I mentioned NASDAQ has reached the rebound limit, and the next trading day basically they start to drop, and now has we reached the limit of the downside. Now we start the upside. Can we buy now? Today I will give you the insight for the chart, and also some Tesla strategy and what is going on with Tesla, right? And also the insights about your trading strategy for the entire September. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. So last video I mentioned we will have a drop, and the previous video I also mentioned August could be our temporary peak, and September will be, so after the peak we will have a drop, which is now September. So what is going on now? If we draw Fibonacci ratio, you can see they basically, when they hit 78.6 here, they come back down. And now they hit 38.2, they may try to go up again here. So this one is quite a support. And you can see we have a gap here also. So this one is a support here, okay? We remember this is a trend reversal here. They have a gap island here. So now we bounce to go up. So we can draw a triangle here. I would say if you don't have any strategy for trading, or if you don't have my indicator, please try to stay away with the trading this month. I know it's quite rare. I know this is a trading YouTube channel, right? But I want you to make money. Okay, to market make money, either upside, one way upside like this one, you make money easy, right? You just buy and hold. When they drop, you can still short the stock or buy the short ETF. But when they are very fluctuating and you don't have strategy, basically many people make mistake. They buy here, they sell here. It's so easy because my OBOS, which is overbought, oversold, they show you the yellow signal. So many people buy here and so many people sell here. And this one is the temporary bottom here. Okay, so what's going on is when it's fluctuating, we try to stay away from the market if you don't have any of my indicator or any kind of strategy. Don't use the traditional strategy for the short-term trade, because short-term trade is very fast and some traditional indicator is quite slow. It's okay, but it's quite slow. So for this kind of fluctuating market, you need to be very aware. I don't want you to lose money. Okay, so back to the point. If we have, let's say if you bought my indicator, you will have my indicator bundle. You can see these two lines, the blue line and the red line. The blue line is to tell you the trend. I always tell you when we are under this blue line and when the blue line is going downward, we better to hold cash. Okay, we better to hold cash. So one thing, now we are still going downward trend. The second thing is the red line. The red line is a fast track line to tell you, hey, we are in the rebounds. Why this is a rebound rather than this is the start of the bull market? Look at here. The blue is still going downward. So this is just a short-term rebound. And then, is it correct? Yes, they come back down. Okay, you buy for the short-term strategy is you buy here, you sell here. You buy when they go above the red, you sell when they go below the red. So what is going on today? I want to give you some update today. So now we are trying to battle to go above this red line. So this could be one of our turning points. Very likely is our turning point. Later we look at the fund movement as well. So if you're shorting the index or you're considering to sell it, maybe you need to reconsider again. Okay, maybe we are starting to have a short rebound here. Okay, the second thing I want you to check is the fund movement. Remember, index, stock, or crypto, always about money. Always about money. Any big fish, big shark is coming into the market or not? First thing. Okay, so now where's the big shark? Look at the YM chip entry. I'm not saying now. I'm saying previously we have chips coming in here. If we look in our history, when the chips come in, we have a very good way to start to have a longer upward trend. Okay, and this one's coming in here. Not now. Now we don't have any chips come in. Is it possible they drop again? Yes. Yes, it's a very small portion of chips rather than look like this one. It looks so different, right? You see the size? Okay, so the first thing, we have fund coming here, not here, but we have the YM big buy, which is the big volume trade. If we look at the long-term, the big volume trade, if we look at the last trading day, basically you can see a very thin red line. The red is shorting power, more sell than buy for the big volume. And the green is more buy than sell, but we are still under zero. Although today we just start the market, so not yet confirmed is a green. We need to wait until end of the day. But if we stay green, we are still weak. We are not yet above zero. We are not yet above zero. So if we look at the market, let me see. If we look at the market, yeah, if we look at the market, the best is they go above zero. When it is a very strong market, they always go above the zero. Okay, so now not yet strong. And if we look at YM cheapest, the institution holding is not yet strong. We still have purple line going downward. So is it strong yet? Not yet. We will expect a short rebound. That's it. That's it. If they stay above the red line. So the red line figure, I will give you the number. You can mark it down for IXIC, which is NASDAQ index, okay? So it will be 16947, okay? Around here, okay? So we are bettering. So far, we are trying to go above it. We still have a chance, right? Because the fund, if we look at the fund for the big volume trade, basically is not too bad here, okay? But is it really, really good for the index? Not really, not really. So for if you are trading, if you are very new for trading, my advice is to stay away from the market for September. Or you can have my indicator, you trade with the red line, the red. When they go above, we buy. When they sell, go below, we sell. That's it. Easy, easy. Or you just stay away for the September. You can put in the fixed deposit for a few months. Okay. So the next thing many people ask me is Tesla. They have something interesting here. So first thing, I want you to tell me, the blue line is the trend line. It's still going downward. So the trend is still going downward. And how about the red? It's going upward. So it is, what does it mean? It means rebounds, okay? First thing, we will have rebound. We go above of the red line already and the blue line also. The second thing I want you to check is the fund movement. Fund movement, you can look at the YM big buy, the big volume trade. The shorting power is getting lower and lower. And we go above zero already. Okay? Okay, we go above zero. So it's quite strong, the fund, I would say. And we have some funding coming in August, basically. August around here. Around here. Okay? Basically, it's confirmed here. If we use our strategy for the, if you follow my channel, basically one of my strategy is with the YM chip entry, the first or the tallest candle, we draw a line. When they go above, basically it will be have a upward trend. Okay, you can see this one serve as a support. They come back down to kiss the support line and then they go up again. Not yet confirmed because we will still have some, remember something, when the big market is fluctuating, the stock will be fluctuating too. Okay, the stock will be fluctuating too, will be less smooth than before. We will have a gap here. The gap serve as a, not support, but resistance because we are under this gap. We're under this gap. So we still have two resistance, right? One is this gap. Another one is the previous peak, okay? If you don't know this kind of thing, just get my indicator to tell you three things. Trend, the fund, and then also the buy sell pump. So now look at the trend. I tell you short term, we will have a rebound. And the second thing, the fund movement. Is it healthy, the fund movement? For big volume, yes. For the institution come in, we have institution come in here, and we go above this purple line already. We go above this purple line already. But still, again, the trend is still going downward. So even you add position for Tesla, by the way, I'm just telling you the insights from the chart. We don't recommend any stock trading, okay? So even if you buy a stock with trend line going down, it's catching rebound. We are not buying 100%. We only buy small position, okay? So this is only for education purpose, by the way. So you may consider if they stay above both line. If they stay above both line, you may add your position. Okay, so the figure is around 218.94. So now it's 223 right now. So you can see end of the day how that goes. Remember, we still have a resistance. We still have a resistance here, okay? So this is the update today. If you want to subscribe to this indicator, click the link in description. I may change, so you can, right now, if you subscribe right now, you can unsubscribe anytime by month. The plan is by month. And later, I may change a little bit later, like maybe it's by year or for the whole life, okay? You can buy for whole life, okay? So I see you in the next video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. Again, if you don't have any indicator, if you don't have your own strategy, if you haven't learned anything before, maybe it's a good to stay away for the market for September. Okay, so because the whole market is very frustrating and I don't want you to lose your money. And especially I know many people look at NVIDIA or Apple stock or some big tech stock. But remember, in my video, I mentioned many times, the big AI stock is overbought. Overbought. What does it mean, overbought? Overbought, it means very high risk that it could be, it is our peak. It is our peak, okay? So I want you to be a bit aware of that. But how about Tesla? Is it our peak yet? If we look at Tesla, basically, you can see the whole trend. We are not really at the peak. We are not even close to our peak. Wait. If we look at Tesla, you can see the peak is around, the previous peak is around 410. And since then, we drop a lot, okay? So if we look, something interesting, you can see, even you don't have my indicator, you can learn something from my video. Sometime I always cover actually, something you can learn from the video. So if we look at this, and we can draw a line like this. Okay, so you can see the downward trend, what's going on is not too bad actually for weekly chart. For weekly chart, it's not too bad, but we still have many resistance we need to battle. We still have many resistance to battle, so we still need to wait. But in long term, it could be one of our opportunity in the super long term, okay? So this is the update today. I see you in the next video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend. See you. Bye.